Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add a quick action here and how we have to remove and how we have to create a custom quick action. So in this video we will learn quick action related everything. So what is quick action? So through quick action you not follow the complete navigation path. You can frequently, we can say there are many process, there are various navigations, so without follow the complete path, you can add as a quick action, as an instant you can go to that part directly. You have to click on this action and you have to directly go to that page. So quick action are frequently we can use things. So quick action, so how we have to configure these quick actions. So in this video, we will learn how to configure this quick action. Okay, so we have to follow a path. We have to follow a path. Go to admin center. Go to admin center. Then manage home page. Manage home page, and where you have to click on quick action. Okay, and this quick action are showing in different colors as well as we can say in same color. If you see here, these are showing in same color. All are showing in blue color. Okay, with the icon and with the text. So if you want these quick action are showing in different color, there's facility also available. Like I will show. So you have to follow a path, that is manage home page quick action. This is the path. You can directly search here manage. It will automatically come to manage home page. Sorry, manage home page. You have to click on manage home page. Now you have to search manage quick actions. Manage quick action. This is it. Click on it. You will see if you want color. Okay, currently it is selecting only one color option, so that is why all the quick actions are showing. All the quick actions are showing. If I am logging into it, you will see that all the quick action are showing in same color. In same color. Okay, let's I have to change. I have to change in different color. Currently quick action showing in single color. Okay, so I have to select this. Now I have to click on save. Yes. Now I will show. Click on save. When I'm clicking on changes have now you have to open the home page. And you will see here quick actions are showing in different color. Quick actions are showing in different color. All the icons are showing in different color. Okay. This is the first thing. Now next, if you want to add a quick action, remove a quick action, how you have to do, as well as how you have to create a custom quick action. So in this video, all the things we have to see. So here you see quick action. Currently, how many quick actions are reflecting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also decide the position. First position, suppose second position, okay, third position, fourth position, fourth position, fifth position, fifth position. Okay, so here you see all the quick action. Okay, all the quick action are showing. Suppose I have enabled a quick action. Suppose view tile report this quick action. So here you see some quick action are custom, some quick action are standard. Standard, that is okay, pre-delivered by SAP. And if you want to create a custom one, that we have to see. Okay, now standard one I have to enable. Here you see currently view tile report, that is disabled. I have to enable. Okay, here you can see I have enabled this to total how many? 6. Total how many? 6. Okay, and I have decided its position, that is it will reflect in first position. Here you see, okay, it is showing in first position. At a time, how many quick actions are reflecting at a time? How many? So at a time, you can see here there are total 16 quick action at a time. The maximum number of quick action, that is 16. Now go to home page. Now you have to go to home page, and here you can see view tile report that is showing in first place. View tile report that is showing in first place. You can see here because I have decided my quick action will reflect. Okay, view tile report will reflect in the first position in quick action list. Now suppose you want to define a custom quick action. So how you have to define a custom quick action? So very simple. Here you see there is an icon. Click on this icon. System is showing giving a name. Giving a name. Suppose there is a quick action. Go to admin. Suppose this page. Quick action page. Okay. We have to go to quick action page. Suppose when I click on this icon, when I click on this quick action, automatically I will come to this page. Automatically. So we have to see. So title, quick action. Okay, quick action. Description. So give the same description, quick action page. Quick action page. Icon, you have to select icon. There are different icons. Suppose I'm select a random icon. Okay, quick action page. Then click on next. Here you see this is a card, this is a URL. What is? Suppose this is a URL. So what the URL we have selected automatically that URL will reflect. Okay, so I have mentioned that URL quick action URL. Okay, quick action URL. Now next group everyone if you okay make the assignment for every employees, make the assignment for a specific date and always that's completely up to you. After that click on create. When you click on create here you see quick action has created. Now click on OK. Now go down and here you will see quick action page it is showing. And this is a custom, not standard because we are confused. Okay, this is a custom one. And I will show you it is on first position. And I will also showing the effect. Here you see it is showing in first position and it is disabled. Currently not it is okay visible. If I am showing you the home page, it will not show. Reason is that because it is disabled. Okay, you can see there is no custom quick action. Okay, that is not shown. Now again I have to open manage home page. Manage home page. I have to open manage home page and we have to go to quick action. We have to go to quick action and you will see you have to enable. Now you have to save. So when you save, now you have to open home page and you have to see the effect. Here you see quick action that is showing. Our quick action, okay, icon that is showing. Now, when you click on it, automatically system redirect into automatically you see system redirect into quick action. So this is the benefit. Means I'm not using okay manage home page. I'm not run that path, not go to admin center. These things I have not okay for. I have okay click on. I have directly click on this quick action. I click on this quick action part and automatically I have moved into another page. So this is the use of quick action. This is the use of quick action. Okay. So this is the way we have to create a quick action, disable, enable, any quick action, define their positions also. So this is all about quick action. Guys, still if you have any question related to this quick action, let me know. Thank you guys.